Attention, visionaries and forward thinkers. Are you looking for high investment returns better than banks? Then congratulations. You are at right place. This is not just another investment opportunity, this is your chance to unlock a future of wealth, security, and unstoppable growth. Imagine holding the keys to a financial empire, where every decision you make propels you closer to unparalleled success. The clock is ticking, and your window of opportunity is closing fast. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I am going to reveal the investment strategy that could change your life forever. Don't blink, you won't want to miss a single second of what's coming. Welcome to the future of investment. Welcome to the GCB Bitcoin Investment Wallet, a groundbreaking initiative that merges the power of Bitcoin with the innovation of sustainable energy and advanced communications technology. This is your opportunity to be part of a revolution that's transforming how wealth is created, secured, and multiplied. Let's talk about why GCB Bitcoin stands head and shoulders above any other investment strategy you've heard of. First, they are investing in Bitcoin mining farms and crypto mining equipments. And also in electricity generation from wind and solar, ensuring not only profitability but also a commitment to a greener future. But that's not all. They are also investing in the future of global communications satellite internet. This represents a leading strategy in the cryptocurrency sector, enabling unprecedented global connectivity and secure data transfer. Now, here is where it gets truly exciting. GCB Bitcoin investment journey will begin with a 2-year commitment. On maturity, you will get your capital back as Bitcoin reserve you bought in the beginning. And also you will get recurring 4% to 8% profits every 3 months generated by your investment. They will automatically be deposited in USDT that you can easily convert to cash. And with their flexible platform, you can monitor your profits in real time, trade, or even liquidate your boxes at the click of a button. You are in complete control of your financial destiny. And here is the best part. Getting started is incredibly simple. GCB Bitcoin portfolio is composed of innovative investment boxes, each priced at just $100 plus a minimal service fee. You can get up to a maximum of 10,000 boxes. The sooner you invest, the more Bitcoin reserve your capital secures. And here's the kicker, if you act now. During their exclusive launch period, you'll benefit from reduced service fees, maximizing your investment potential. Remember, this opportunity isn't going to last forever. Subscription to the GCB Bitcoin Investment Wallet is only open until December 20, 2024. Once the portfolio is officially activated on January 2, 2025, you'll be on a direct path to financial growth. But if you miss this window, well, there's no telling when you'll get another chance like this. Now is the time to act. Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. The future of finance is unfolding before your eyes, and you have the power to be a part of it. Secure your investment, reserve your GCB Bitcoin boxes, and step into a future where your financial dreams become reality. Contact the GCBEX team today, and take the first step towards securing your financial future. This is more than an investment. GCB Bitcoin is your gateway to a prosperous tomorrow. It is giving high investment returns better than banks. The time to act is now. Please use the link below to sign up on the GCBEX platform and grab this golden opportunity by contacting their team. It's an ultimate gateway towards financial freedom.